Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 10th of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the expiry on the 15th. Here we can immediately see that this PE level has been the same, but the CE level has dropped down drastically to 185, which is negative. Quantity is higher for PE, which is positive. The change is higher in PE, which is positive. Short squeeze is a lot higher in PE, which is negative. PCR is still extremely oversold, which is actually a positive. Implied volatility went up, but historical volatility went down, which is a negative and positive respectively. RSI is down, which is negative. There's no divergences for RSI and volume, which is negative for both. ADX is up, which is negative. ETR is up, which is also negative. The EMA is lower for the 20 period and 50 period, which is also negative. VWAP is also lower, which is negative. The Fibonacci is higher, which is positive, but the candlestick is very bearish this week, which is negative, as it did break the inside bar. Then we have a support at 180, same as last week. Resistance is now down to 185 compared to 210 last week, and my prediction is that Tesla goes down this week. So that concludes my video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.